Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about QR code, how to generate QR code for free. It's very short video, so let's get started. First of all, make sure you have your Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome, and you can generate QR code for any website. So for instance, this is my Facebook profile, right? So I want to create QR code for this page, right? So what you have to do is just go to onto this free dot you see here, click on it, and there will be a drop down, a list of items show. Okay, so now you move on to cart, save and share. You see, so when you look down at this place, you see share. You can see create a QR code. It's free, and you can do it for any website you want. Like for instance, you have a website, you want to generate a QR code so that when people want to access it, they just scan a QR code. So I'll just click on generate QR code. This is the code to be done generated. I'll say download. So this is the QR code already generated for me. I'll click on download. Right, so I'll click on to open. Okay, so it's very simple. So now, and this is your QR code. So whenever someone needs your Facebook account or anything, or you want to design a what do you call it, personal card, you can get all the QR code for your social media handles through this process. So when the person scan, it just take you to your profile. I hope you enjoy it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.